Welcome back, children. Now let's start with the next topic, that is exercise 3.3. This is exercise 3.3. It is find the HCF of the following by the prime factorization method. Find the HCF. Okay, so first of all, before starting this exercise, let me explain you what is the prime number and what is the co-prime number. Okay, so the prime numbers, what are the prime number? A prime number is a number which is only divisible by 1 and itself. Okay, or the another definition, a prime number is a number which has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Clear? Means suppose we have 3. So 3 is divisible by only 1 or the number itself. So the factor of 3 are 1 or the number itself. Only two factors are there. So 3 is a prime number. So here we have 1 to 100. We have the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 21, 29, 31. So these are the numbers 1 to 100. Okay, they are called prime numbers, and 2 is the only even prime number. Okay, just see, all the prime numbers are odd. 2 is the only number which is even, and it is also a prime number. Clear? Now what is meaning of co-prime? Co-prime number, the two numbers which have only one as a common factor are called co-prime numbers. Mean two numbers, when we find out the factor of that two number, and out of the factors, their factors, when we find out the common factor, that should be 1. Suppose 13 and 15 are co-prime number. How? When we find out the factor of 13, okay, 13 is a prime number, 13 is a prime number, so the factor of 13 will be only 1 and the number itself. 15 is also a prime number, so the factor of 15 are also 1 and the number itself. When we find out the common is 1, the common factor is 1. So 13 and 15 are co-prime number. Here are many numbers. Okay, you can write 3 and 5. You can choose any numbers, two numbers. You can find out their factors. Okay, if their common factor is 1, so that will be the co-prime number. Now twin prime. Twin means prime number having difference of 2 are called twin prime number. Means two prime number, okay, when you subtract, it's if the difference is 2, that two numbers are called twin prime numbers. You can find out any two numbers from here, prime numbers. See, these are the prime numbers. You can choose any one. 3 and 5, these two numbers, 3 and 5, difference is 2, so 3 and 5 are co-prime number, twin prime number. 5 and 7, when you subtract it, answer is 2. 11, 13, answer is 2. 17, 19, answer is 2. 19, 21, answer is 2, difference is 2. 29, 31, difference is 2. Okay, 41, 43, difference 2. So here, like this way, you can find out twin prime number. Clear? 3, 5, 5, 7, like this way you can find out. Okay, now let's start the exercise, that is 3.3 exercise. Find the HCF. First of all, what is the meaning of HCF? Highest common factor. And they have given you the condition that you have to use only prime factorization method. So we have already done, now I have already explained you prime number. So prime factorization method, we will just solve with the prime numbers only. We will use only prime numbers. Okay, so here we have done 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 questions. Okay, so rest of the question you can practice at home. So let's start with the first question. So here H for highest, C for common, F for factor. Now let's start with 16 and 40. Okay. So first of all, you know how to find out the LCM. The same method we will follow here. We will write the first number 16 and always start with the smallest prime number. Okay. Just see, you can use the divisibility rule also, you can use here. 16 digit, last digit is even, so it is divisible by 2. 2 is a prime number also, so 2 it's a 16. Okay, 2 it's a 16. This is the short division. Clear? Now we have 8. 8 is also divisible by 2, so again we will divide it by 2. 2 2 4s are 8. Now again 4 we have got, it is again divisible by 2, so we will divide it by 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay, now again this 2 is also divisible by 2, so 2 1s are 2. We have got 1 here. At last we should get 1. Okay, so this is the factors of 16 are 2 2 2 2. Now we'll move to the next one, 40. Again 40. Okay, don't divide it by 10 because 10 is not a prime number. Don't divide it by 4. 4 is not a prime number. Okay, so we have to start with the first prime number. Start with 2. If it is not divisible by 2, move to 3. Then if it is not divisible by 3 also, then move to 5. Okay, now we'll divide it by 2 because the last digit is 0. So 2 20s are 40. Again 20 is also divisible by 2. 2 10s are 20. Now again 2 5s are 10. Now this 5 is not divisible by 2. Then the next prime number is 3. It is not divisible by 3. After 3 the next prime number is 5. So it is divisible by 5 because 5 is a prime number and it is divisible by only 1 and the itself. Okay, so this is 5. So 5 1s are 5. Children, you have already done this method in class 4. Okay, so now we have got the factors. So first of all we will write the factors of 16. Factors of 16. Then we have to write the factor of 40. Factor of 16 are 2 2 2 2 4 times. Okay, so 1 2 3 and 4. Now factor of 40, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Clear? 2 multiplied 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Now we will find out the common factors. Okay, so common here, common here, now common. Okay, so here common factor 2, we'll just take out 1 2 from here. 2 common, 2 common, 2. Now your answer is, you will multiply it. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. Your answer is 8. Now move to the next question, 42. So 42, we'll find out the factors of 42. Again 42 is divisible by 2. Okay, you can divide it at the side. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now 21 is not divisible by 2. Okay, so look at the next one, 3. Yes, it is divisible by 3, so we'll divide it by 3. 3 7s are 21. Now 7 is a prime number, it is divisible by only 7, so we'll divide it by 7. 7 1s are 7. We have got the factor 2 3 and 7. Now move to 30. This is 30. Again 30 divided by 2. You can divide it by 3 also, no problem. Okay, 2. 2 15s are 30. Now 15 is not divisible by 2. Move to the next one. 3. 3 5s are 15. 5 is a prime number. It is divisible by only itself. So it will be divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. Now we have got the factors of 30. Clear? Now first of all write a factors of 42, then factors of 30. 42 2 3 7, 2 3 7, and 2 3 5, 2 3 and 5. Now find out the common one. The common one is 2 and common one is 3. Okay, so the common factor is, now we will find out 2 and this is 3. So HCF is, multiply it, 2 3s are 6. This is your second question. Move to the next question. The next question is C question. Here we have three numbers, 18, 32, 40. So factor of 18, factor of 32, factor of 40. Okay, 18 divided by 2. 2 9s are 18. 9 is divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 9. Now this 3 is a prime number. It is divisible by only 3. So 3 1s are 3. Okay, 32. It is divisible by 2. 2 16s are 32. 16 is divisible by 2. 2 8s are 16. 8 is divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8. 4 is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2. Okay, now this is 40. 40. 2 20s are 40. 2 10s are 20. 2 5s are 10. 5 is a prime number. It is divisible by only 5. 5 1s are 5. Now we will write out the factors of all these three numbers. Clear? Now common factor is, now 2 we have to find out, it should be common in all three. Okay, so here only 2 is there which comes in all three sides. Okay, so we will just circle it. Now common is only 2, so HCF is 2 only. The next one is 48 72 84. Find out the factor 48 72 84. Okay, these are the factors. Now find out the common. Here 2 is common in all three, 2 is common in all three, and 3 is common. Okay, so the common is 2 2 3. Then multiply it. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. This is your answer. Next is again 104 128 176. Find out the factors. Okay, find out the factors. These are the factors we have got. Common निकालो इसका. 2 2 2. So 2 2 2 2 2 2. 2 multiply by 2. Answer is 8. Next, take out the factors, write down the factors. Okay, find the common one. 2 common in all three, and 13 common in all three. Clear? So 2 multiply by 2 4. 4 multiply by 13. Answer is 52. Clear? Next question, 112 210 252. Find out the factors. Okay, always start with the smallest 2 number. Clear? Then it will be easy for you. Clear? Now these are the factors. Now we have common 2 here and common 7 here. So 2 multiplied by 7, answer is 14. Here 350, 705 and 266. Now just find out the factors of all three numbers. Okay, so the factor of 350 are 2557. Okay, now student, this is a special question. In this question when you write the factors, there is no common factor here. There is no common factor here. There is no common factor. 2 is here, but there is no 2 here in this side. Okay, 5 is here also, in the second side also, third side is there is no 5. Okay, so there is a no single number which is we have in all three sides. So in this case we have last 1 1 1. Okay, so we'll write this 1 1 1 because this is also part of the question only. Okay, so we'll write here 1 1 1 and we will find out this 1 is a common factor. Okay, so your HCF will be 1. So students, your this exercise 3.3 is finished now. So the next video will move to the next exercise. Thank you very much.